Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So the price has now reached $1,800, which is here the 61.8 retracement on our daily time frame of the previous third wave to the upside. So can I promise you that support will hold? No, of course not. But what I can tell you is that if this indeed is a fourth wave, the price should think about turning around. Now, something to mention again is that a fourth wave, because this is a so-called diagonal structure to the upside, the invalidation point is only the low of the wave 2 at $1,075, but still below the 61.8 retracement, below $1,790. This is too deep for a fourth wave. So I mean, I don't know when you watch the video, it might be, when you watch the video, we might have already broken below it, but the benefit of the video will still be to explain the levels to you, because there is so much volatility at the moment. It's just impossible, unless you're following our real-time updates, it's going to be impossible that you get the, that things will change, things will move on. So 1790 is key support here, still below that level, and that's important. If we break below $1,790, I just want to share with you, and we seem to do that, right? So far, I haven't confirmed the low yet. So if we go any lower, then support, okay, two levels will overlap there, so that's good. So we can remove that one. Next support is 1436. 1436. This is going to be the next Fibonacci support level, and it's just going to be a deeper pullback for a potential B wave. It's a different scenario. So we're now at the point where the wave 4 must turn around, but there's no sign for it, right? There's no sign. So at this point, it seems more likely that we are going to test maybe even 1436. Now, I would still pay attention to some additional levels here. The VRVP, that's important, around 1620. That's the point of control, and that's a level where the price could find some support just from structural support, previous trading area, popular price levels, especially here around 1640. So any break below 1790 should send it to 1640, and then 1436, and then 1254. I mean, these are the support levels where the price can attempt a reversal, but let's be honest, we have to see a signal first. Everything else is just hopium. I just highlight to you where the levels you can watch for potential reactions. And Bitcoin might still drop down to $75,000, and Ethereum will then be affected as well. Again, Ethereum has been so much weaker in this cycle, and my perspective hasn't changed about Ethereum. So it is weak. It might already be, or might still be, in a bear market as per the blue scenario here, but again, it's now broken below 1790. So I said to you before, if that happens and it's a sustained break, then it will indicate that we are in the blue scenario. But we'll see how the next 1 or 2 days are unfolding. I mean, the trend is down anyway. Situation hasn't changed. And I'm going to continue to focus on lower prices until, so we just go with the trend, right? We just go with the trend until the market confirms some kind of a low. So this is the shorter time frame, and this will surely have changed when you watch the video. Here, the main takeaway is we could still be in a fifth wave. So that's one scenario, So that we say we are in the late stages of this, of the fifth wave of wave C, of the larger fourth wave, and then we could form a low, but it takes a break, a 5-wave move up above resistance, above 2020 to indicate a low. Until then, until that happens, a 5-wave move up above resistance, there's absolutely nothing that would tell us that a low is in place. So earlier, or yesterday, I shared with you the next downside target at 1817. The price nailed that, reached it, bounced a bit, but continued the decline. So that target was reached for those of you who are actually trading this on the short side, which kind of make, I don't want to say it makes sense. It depends on your trading plan, but that's why I highlighted the next levels to the downside and also the resistance area, because against resistance we can focus on lower. Now, in the yellow scenario, we might form another lower high and another lower low. So it's just important to understand there is resistance, and against that we can focus on lower. We'll have to, okay? And it takes a break above it, above $2,020 to indicate a low is in. Yeah, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.